So we're here at the Stillwater again. This time, my goal is to actually catch fish while I'm here. I brought Haley and my sister along, so my wife Haley and my sister Danica. Danica doesn't have her fishing license yet, so she's not gonna be fishing. But yeah, Haley and I will be, and we'll be fly fishing. So let's get some line in the water, catch some fish. So since we're both learning fly fishing stuff, every once in a while we need to take a spin casting break. So we're gonna switch to spinners.
I'm gonna tell you what love is. Love can make you break. Make you laugh.
They went right next to my... Oh! Oh, I lost it! Oh, man! So what's going on? What's the plan? The plan is to quit because there's a lot of wind and I almost got that one. Bit on it and then it
pretty much
jumped out of the water and got off.
It was beautiful.
So technically we got skunked again. You
No.
want any last words?
We got one.
No, it doesn't count unless you land it. I know, I know. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Oh, nice. Right on the lens. Koda, why did you shake there? Not only on the lens, on the screen, everything. Ah.